How to create Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create Ubisoft account step by step, whether you are gearing up to play your favorite Ubisoft games or just exploring their platforms. This video has you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. For this, you can go to the official website of Ubisoft and create your account there. But for this video, I'm signing in and creating my account within the application that I have installed from Ubisoft website. After you have opened the application, on the sign in page, you will see an option to create an account right below the login fields. Click on it to start the registration process. After that, you will be prompted to the section where you have to enter your date of birth. Simply input the date of your birth, and once you have done that, simply select continue. Now it's time to fill in your details. Start by entering your email address, choosing a unique username and creating a strong password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers and special characters for extra security. And once you have done that, simply click on continue. And after that, you will be guided to the section where you have to agree the Ubisoft terms of use and privacy policy by checking the box. After filling out the form, Ubisoft will send a verification code to your email address that you have provided. You can simply go to your inbox of your email and copy that code and paste it in here. And once you have given the code, you can simply select create an account. And there you have it. Creating a Ubisoft account is super simple and gets you started with some amazing games. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.